I'm so scared and I'm so tired. We are in full crisis mode at this time.
What is it like to work on the front lines as cases in the ICU continue to grow? Healthcare workers at places like the Rocky View Hospital say they're increasingly overwhelmed with no tangible end in sight.
And I can tell you, I go to work and I'm seeing COVID every day, and it's scary, and people should be worried.
Several doctors in the province have gone public, pushing for tighter restrictions so people will stay home to push down the surge of new daily cases. A government source tells City News there may be more on the way, as talks have begun. But Dr. Vipon says if action had happened sooner, it could have saved more lives.
Because we have such weak restrictions right now, we can't expect to see anything but things to go up until we actually have good policies in place, and then another 2 weeks beyond that. And that's why this is so frightening for us healthcare workers, is because we know it's just going to get worse and worse.
At the start of the pandemic, frontline workers were praised for their daily risk and still are to this day. But he says healthcare workers don't feel appreciated now because societal change isn't happening.
What are you hearing day to day in the hospitals?
Back in the spring, there was a real feeling of we're all in this together. You know, society has our back, and we no longer feel that way. We're kind of in this mode of, you know, here we are in the front lines exposing ourselves to danger, and yet the rest of society is just rolling on.
In Calgary, Taylor Brott, City News.